Now that the player's jump seems perfect, we need to find a way to get it to jump only if it is on the ground and to prevent it from jumping mid-air. It means we have to get the player to recognize the ground that he is standing on. Tags makes it easy for the program to know which game objects interact with a particular game object. By default, tag is set as untagged for game objects in the hierarchy. Select the ground from the hierarchy and click on Add Tag. Let's call it ground. Save it. Select back the ground and change the tag to ground because that wasn't done automatically. Let's configure this tag in the playground script. First, let's declare a Boolean data type variable which can either be true or false and call it isOnGround. Set this to true. In the if condition, add isOnGround using 2 ampersand indicating the to statement in the condition has to be true before the statement in the block can be executed. And inside the block, we will assign false to isOnGround. Now the moment the code reruns again, it means one of the statements in the condition is now false, so the player can no longer jump again. Let's see that in action in Unity. In order to get our player jumping again, we have to use the tag we configured earlier in Unity to detect when a collision happens using one of Unity built-in function known as onCollisionEnter. And within the if condition, we can detect what the player collide with. And remember, our tag name is called ground. Using the collision class instance, let's call the collider class since it has a compare tag function and add ground as a string. Now let's assign true to isOnGround within the block. Save your work and return to Unity. Now by pressing the spacebar multiple times, our player is no longer jumping mid-air because he has to be grounded before he can jump again. I think it is safe for me to draw the curtains here, and if you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to our channel. So I'll see you guys in the next video.